The rain in Spain that falls mainly on Prince Edward Island is falling pretty well this morning. I think it's about 10 degrees Celsius, about 50 Fahrenheit. And this evening is supposed to be minus 11 degrees Celsius, so let's have, I think, 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So all this nice water coming down is going to freeze. Typical March weather. And it's still February. Alright, viewers, have a great day, wherever you're at and whatever you're doing. Goodbye now.